A happy day to all. I am K. Thavamani, Assistant Professor of Statistics, Department of Mathematics, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. In this video, we discuss about industrial statistics. In industrial statistics, first we discuss about combinatorial method. What is a combinatorial method? The combinatorial method or the branch of mathematics that can be used in statistics to study data set and count possible outcome. Combinatorics, the field of mathematics concerned with the problem of selection, arrangement and operation within a finite or discrete system. Included is the closely related area of combinatorial geometry. In combinatorics, a binomial coefficient is a mathematical expression that represents the number of ways to choose a subset of item from a large set without regard to order. In combinatorial method, commonly written as n combination of x. Key principle of combinatorial methods. First one is addition principle. If an event A can occur in m ways and the event B can occur in n ways and they cannot happen together, then the total number of ways either event occur is m plus n. The second one is multiplication principle. If a process involves two independent steps where the first step can occur in m way and the second in n ways, then the total number of possible outcome is m into n. The principle of permutation. Permutation count the number of ways to arrange objects in order. Example, arranging n distinct objects, n factorial equal to 3 factorial equal to 6. Principle of combinations. The combination count the number of ways to select object. N combination of k equal to, the formula for combination is n factorial divided by k factorial into n minus k factorial. Inclusion and exclusion. In the union of set by correcting for overcounting. Recurrence relations. Many combinatorial sequences are defined by relating each term to previous ones. The seventh one, generating functions. Algebraic tools that encode sequence and help solve counting problem under recurrence relation. The next one is probability. The probability is a measure of chance of occurrence of the event. Mathematically, the probability of event A, denoted as probability of A, is calculated as the ratio of the number of favorable outcome to the number of possible outcome in the sample space. The formula for probability is the number of favorable outcome divided by the total number of outcome. Probability is typically expressed as the number between 0 and 1. The next one is sample space. The sample space is the set of all possible outcome of a random experiment. It contains every result that can possibly happen. It is usually denoted by S. Example, for a tossing coin we have head and tail. For rolling a die we have up to 1 to 6. Event. An event is any subset of the sample space. It represents one or more outcome of interest. Example, event of getting an even number when die is rolled. Example, 2, 4, 6. Another one is event of getting a head when the coin is tossed. Example, head. Next one is conditional probability. The conditional probability of an event A given the another event B has already occurred is the probability that A happens under the condition that B is known to happen. It is denoted by probability of A given B and defined as probability of A given B equal to probability of A intersection B given probability of B. Example, if a card drawn is known to be hot, then the probability that it is the ash depend only on the hot card. Independent event. Two events A and B are said to be independent if the occurrence of one event does not affect the occurrence of the other. Mathematically, event A and B are independent if A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability of B. Example, tossing a coin and rolling a die. Getting a head on the coin does not affect the outcome of the die, so the two events are independent. Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem gives the probability of an event A occurring given that the another event B has already occurred. It allows us to update or revise the probability of an event based on the new information. Mathematically, it is stated as A given B equal to probability of B given A into probability of A whole divided by probability of B. Thank you.